Alright, so what we got here is a Kia Niro E full electric vehicle, and what we've done on this is we've installed the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So this is a PIN code system, so allows you to enter your PIN code to be able to drive the vehicle. So if a thief copies, clones your key or gets in the vehicle by stealing your keys, they will not be able to drive the vehicle because they will not know your PIN code to start the vehicle up. So as you can see, if I try and start the vehicle, there you go, nothing happens. It does not say ready to start driving. I can't move the wheel, so the vehicle will not turn on. So what you got to do, you need to enter your PIN code to be able to drive it. It is set to a demo button at the moment, so 1 2 3 4. 2 flashes on the seatbelt, and now I can turn the vehicle on as normal. There you go, it says ready to start driving. So if you want this installed on your vehicle, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.